Okay, welcome to demonstration video number 2, or part 2, excuse me. It's demo video 4, but part 2 of that demonstration video. I'm going to go ahead and delete number 3, okay, because it's the same concept as number 1, so I'm not going to waste time and redo that one because these videos are a little long, so I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to delete number 5 because number 5 is also the same as number 1. So that leaves us with number 2 and number 4 left. So make sure that you keep that in mind, okay? All right. I'm going to go ahead and do number 2 here. So number 2 for Kathy Miller. Kathy Miller earns both $10 per hour and $15 for every sale she completes. During the most recent week, Kathy worked 45 hours and made a total of 75 sales. Okay, so same thing. I'm going to go ahead and copy this here. Copy, I'm going to paste this down here because I'm going to make the same calculations. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and find her regular wages first. I'm going to take $10 times 40 hours. Okay, that's her regular wage rate. Go and color code this. Make it this color. Okay. Her commission. Her commission will be 75 sales times $15. Okay, because for every sale, she's going to get $15 for it. So she's going to get paid $1,125 for the 75 sales that she made. For her regular rate, wage rate, okay, once again, I'm going to take 400 plus the commission amount and divide that by 40 hours. That's going to give me a regular wage rate of $38.13. Once again, 400 plus the 1125 divided by 40 hours to get the regular wage rate. Okay. Her overtime wage rate. Once again, I'm going to take 38.13 times 1.5, which is the 1.5 times her respective regular wage rate. And the formula is, once again, 38.13 times 1.5. Okay. Her overtime wages. She worked 45 hours that week. So I'm going to go ahead and take that 57.19 times the extra 5 hours that she worked during that week to get $2.85, excuse me, $285.94. What I'm going to do here, yeah, that's good enough. Okay, so the overtime wages is $285.94. My total gross, once again, I'm going to take my regular wages plus my commissions plus my overtime to equal $1,810. There could be some rounding issues here. Okay, you'll find out that when you do these calculations, if you go ahead and put in formulas in there, like what I did before by clicking the cells, it's going to have a slightly rounding issue. So I just went in and fixed that, but basically, you're going to go ahead and have rounding issues. But if you don't want those rounding issues, you can go ahead and put in the actual value multiplied by 5. Okay, so that's what I have for number 2. For number 4, David White earns both $11 per hour, $12 for every sale of product A, and $15 for every sale of product B. During the most recent week, David worked 51 hours, sold 35 units of product A, and 39 units of product B. All right, so for this one, we're going to go ahead and same thing. I'm going to copy that down here. And let's go ahead and color code this a different color here. Let's look at pink. There we go. Okay. His regular wage rate. Regular wages are $11 times 40 hours. Equals $440. His commission is going to be a little different here. We're going to go ahead and remember, I'm going to go ahead and write out the formula for you first. He gets paid differently for each product that he sells. So for product A, he sold 35 units. I'm going to take that, 35 units for product A, and he's getting paid $12 for product A. Okay, I'm going to add that to product B. He sold 39 units of product B, and he's getting paid $15 per unit for selling each unit. So basically, that's my formula. I'm going to go ahead and take 35 times 12 plus 39 times 15. Okay, that's my formula in Excel. You could do that if you wanted to. If you didn't want to, you can go ahead and do it separately and then just add them together. Okay, so my total commission is $1,005 for selling 35 units of product A and selling 39 units of product B. My regular wage rate, once again, be taking my regular wages plus my commissions and divide that by 40. To get a total a wage rate of $36. Okay. The overtime wage rate. Taking $36.13 times 1.5. My overtime wages then, I'm going to take $54.20 times the total number of hours that he worked. He worked a total of 11 overtime hours. That's going to get an overtime wages of $596.20. So I'm going to take, this is my formula here, by 11 OT hours. Let's do this here. I forgot to put that up here. Just to be consistent, okay? So that you guys can have a consistent layout. All right, so my total gross pay then, I'm going to take $440 plus $1,005 plus the overtime wages to get to a total of $2,041.20 for Mr. White. Okay, so there you have it. This is the demo video number 2 for gross pay with commissions. Good luck.